got a heavy.
Could be it. It's big.
Yeah, it's a big guy, so it's something to upload.
When is the LOT 787? What days did it come in? What days?
Comes in on Friday, Sunday, and can't remember the other day, but it'll go all 787s starting a week from today. So that's good news.
A week today they'll start all 787s?
Yep, and go daily.
Oh yeah, this is a 777.
Yep. Of something. Probably Air Canada. I guess not. Looks like something else.
Something else? Sky Team livery.
And PIA is early. That is not supposed to come until 1. That's not supposed to come until 1.
Maybe it's early.
It is early.
There's our first big catch, PIA.
Yep. Now I got something to upload.